What's up, everyone? This is Nick here again at NJ's Bricks. We're going to bring you another time-lapse build and a set review today of the Polaroid one-step camera from the LEGO Ideas line. This is set 21345, coming in at 516 pieces, and I'm excited to go ahead and get a build on this one. If you like this content, please like and subscribe down below. I'd really appreciate it. Only about 5% of you are subscribed to the channel that are watching right now, so that would be awesome. Let's go ahead and jump into the build. Hope you enjoy. Stick around to the end to see my thoughts on the set. And there you have it. That is the build on the Polaroid one-step camera. And I gotta tell you guys, this was a really delightful build. Not too long. Took me a shade over an hour. So you could probably guess somewhere around that time. And honestly, really impressive. The types of build techniques they used to get the different dimensionalities and the different angles of this camera were really impressive and fun to build for me. The colors and the contrast in the black and white are awesome. These printed pieces that they've included, lots of printed tiles. There's only a couple of small stickers, so I really appreciated they were printed for the most part. And the 3 printed photographs that they include as well, really impressive. But most of all, I gotta tell you, the mechanism for inserting the photos and then clicking a picture and seeing that pop out, extremely satisfying. If you've built the NES, you know what that clicking, when you set that cartridge down in there feels like. That is the experience that you're going to get here with this set. Clicking that photo into the mechanism and then popping it out with that red button. Really impressed with this one. Really enjoyed building it. One of the more fun sets building for me. A perfect time, sit down, watch a movie, build this set. You're going to enjoy it. I think it's a great set for the price, and I hope you guys like this content. Please like and subscribe below if you did enjoy it, and check out these other videos, and we'll see you next time.